PermaBASE Plus Cement Board is a rigid substrate made of Portland cement, aggregate, and glass mesh that provides an exceptionally hard, durable surface that is able to withstand prolonged exposure to moisture. The following installation video demonstrates how to correctly install PermaBASE Plus as the tile backer for a kitchen backsplash. Use the construction documents to determine the proper layout of the PermaBASE Plus backsplash. Cut the PermaBASE Plus to length using a utility knife. Install PermaBASE Plus using 1 1/4 inch long cement board screws spaced 8 inches on center. Drive the screws flush with the surface of the PermaBASE Plus. Do not overdrive the screws. Install the remaining PermaBASE Plus boards using this procedure. Install the gypsum board for the remainder of the wall. Apply a 4 inch wide, approximately 1/16 inch thick coat of modified thin-set mortar over the entire joint. Immediately embed 2 inch wide alkali-resistant fiberglass mesh tape fully into the applied bonding material and allow it to cure. Apply a layer of modified thin-set mortar over the fastener heads. After kitchen installation, install tile using approved modified thin-set mortar and grout. For complete installation instructions, visit PermaBASE.com. Utilize PermaBASE Plus on your next project and see how it can make your tile installation go faster and easier.